coffee table while you're eating Kierkegaard. And I say to you, proceeded to say something that almost broke my heart. You said, darling, I'm tired of living my routine life. There's so much in the world that I'd like to soak up with my eyes. Well, baby, I never did stop you from going up to explore. We could do it all together, from the coldest of the poles to the tropics of Borneo. Ba-da-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba. Let's pack our bags and lie on the easy stream. Feel the water on our backs, we can carry on dreaming. Where we can finally be where we like to be. Darling, just you and me, just you and me. Say, does that sound like a plan to you? We could build our own little world where no one else can come through. We can live in huts made out of grass. We can greet Father Time as she walks past. We can press our feet into the dirt, let a little mud know it wouldn't hurt. Ba-da-da-ba-da-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba-ba, ba-da-da-ba-da-ba.